Okay, just one more ladder. Okay, that's it. We're done. And okay, hey guys, I'm here with, and today we are starting a new How to Train Your Dragon series called Dragon Fire. Fire! Dragon Fire. And this is Olaf, my shard, and that's Jaw. Alissa is Natter. And over there's my house. Very nice. I got a pool, and over there it's like a platform thing for dragons. What? Yes, you are. I'm pretty sure you're the only Natter trainer in the nation. Like, we're the only two here right now. And there's the lab, and there's Hiccup's house, and there's Toothless. Wait, Toothless. What? Ow! I think I just broke. Ow! How did I not break my legs? Jaw, speak. He is? What did I hear? I guess it's because I was far away. Oh! Okay. Okay, they're having a good conversation. Wait, is Hiccup? Oh, Hiccup is here! Oh, yes! Hiccup is here. Oh, come on. Guys, this nation is brand new. I don't know. Hiccup is... Our nation is brand... Oh, sorry, I meant to celebrate. Ow, stop punching me. I have a sword. I have a diamond sword. Where is Hiccup? Where is Hiccup, boy? Okay, nice. Hiccup! Hello! Oh, hey guys! I heard about your nation. I wanted to help. There's some supplies in the box to the right of my bed. And a little something that I would need your help with. What? You found this. Looks like you found the surprise. That I needed your help with. It's a Titan Wing Natter egg. What? Where did you get a Titan Wing Natter egg? A few Titan Wing Natters have been at birth for a while. We found out that was because their egg was here. Was at birth. We managed to collect the egg. We managed to scare off the Natters. Natters was toothless, but the Natters left behind their egg. You couldn't let it hatch on birth because they're too difficult to tame. So you wanted the greatest Natter trainer and Alissa to help. Exactly. And they wanted to help your nation. Nice.
Hey, get into this. I got some fish and the Natter egg and the...
Okay, we'll each take 30 fish. Okay,
Yeah, I got 30 fish.
Oh, look, this is Dragon Fire Wings. Wait. Oh, it's his fire sword. I found Hiccup's fire sword. I hope we get our own at some point. Anyway, not Olaf. No. Okay, guys. Whoa, I almost fell into this. This game will keep inventory. What? Did you just fall and die?
No, I didn't die. I had 2 hearts left.
What?
That's scary. I did not expect that.
Okay, so yeah, here's my house.
Well, since it's a Titan Wing, I'll go to that dragon team.
Oh yeah, we have a dragon taming arena for a difficult dragon. Okay, I'm just coming. Wait, it hatched!
Yes.
Yeah, that is big. It's like a block. Oh my gosh, it's like a block tall. Of course it's huge. Of course it's huge. It's a Titan wing. Did you not expect a Titan wing baby to be big? Alissa, no, stop. Yeah, babies are so hard to feed. You've tamed a Titan wing before? Ah, accident.
This is huge and very active. One of the most active
It's a baby.
I've ever had.
Babies are extremely difficult. Babies are extremely difficult.
Play with it and feed
I can't get it. I can't see
it. Hey, it's my baby.
hitbox. I'm trying to find its hitbox. Hitbox. No, I'm trying to see if it's friendly. Right. Or maybe.
I already saw it. It is friendly.
Okay. Oh, you got electric.
Wait, I don't want the baby to get zapped.
It won't. It's too young to know how to fly. Oh my god! It's moving. Oh my gosh! It's moving while it's sitting. What? And moving?
Do I really have to sleep with the baby?
Oh, what the
Well,
what?
I paid him 10 weeks, so I guess I do.
Uh,
Can you hand me a bed? Don't let the baby out.
I'm going into my room to get your bed.
This baby is crazy.
Oh, I got it.
Crazy.
I'm coming. It's an emergency.
At least it doesn't know
Oh,
how
ow.
to- or else he'll get zapped.
Yeah, it's too young to know. Gliding. These wings are really useful.
Ah, the baby.
I'm close.
Stay.
Okay, here you go. Here's a bed. Let's get some sleep. Ah. Oh, an adder. Go, go, go. Oh, wow, those wings are so good. Remind me to thank Hiccup for the wings. You know, oh, there's someone trying to get the baby. Get the baby, get it. I'll put it down, you feed it. But give me the sleep stick so I can
I already fed it.
put it down. What are you trying to do with it then?
I'm trying to make it sit.
Okay. Teamwork makes the dream work. Let's work together. Go, go. Teamwork makes the dream work. Go, go, go. Oh my, what?
It's sitting. It's sitting.
Oh my gosh, it's sitting. What? That is
Having
just.
nurse are really hard.
Did that thing just punch you?
No.
Oh, I thought it bit you. It looked like it bit you. Yeah, I forgot. I know it's
It
electric.
actually kind of poked me with a spike.
On its head?
Yeah.
The spike on its head? Yeah.
Ow, ow, ow.
What? Ah. Ah. Put it down. Put it.
I'm very active for a baby.
Put it down. Gotta get. Oh, it bit you. Got it. I'm gonna get it. Get it. Put it down. Go. Teamwork makes the dream work. Go. Corner it. Yeah, it bit me. Ow, my legs hurt. My foot hurts. Get back here, baby natter. No, get back here, baby dragon. What? It's sitting. It's literally sitting. Ow. Oh, wow.
Okay, just leave it.
Okay, in the next video, we're definitely... Where did you get that natter egg?
Ow.
Where did you get that natter egg? Hey, stop. Where'd you get the natter egg? He got you another one? Where is he getting all these natter eggs? Okay. Go. Teamwork makes the dream work. Put it down. No! Whoa. No!